Question number 56. How many pair of numbers are possible such that LCM of two numbers, LCM of A is 2 power 7 into 5 power 5. HCF is of two numbers is 2 cube into 5 square. How many values A comma B can take? How many values A comma B can take? I think already we discussed this one. What is LCM into HCF is N1 into N2. Or in this case it is A into B. LCM is 2 power 7 into 5 power 5. HCF is 2 cube into 5 square. What is A value? 2 cube into 5 square into K1. Already we discussed. B value 2 cube into 5 square into K2. So this will be 2 cube into 5 square whole square into K1 into K2. So this will be 2 power 10 into 5 power 7 equivalent to 2 power 6 into 5 power 4 into K1 into K2. So K1 into K2 will become 2 power 4 into 5 cube. What are K1 and K2? Coprimes. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two coprimes is 2 power p minus 1. LCM is given, HCF is given. How many values that natural numbers can take? LCM into HCF is product of two natural numbers. Next. Now, clear? Idea clear, right? No. So half into 2 square. 2 ways. Next. Please write down this question. N is a, put a star mark on this question. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. 2n has 28 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 6n has how many factors? N is a natural number. 2n has 28 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 6n has how many factors? 6n has how many factors? Now, this question can be solved in method 1, which is a traditional method. Method 2, which is an optimal method. Traditional method. N is a natural number. Every natural number is nothing but a power of prime bases. 2 power A, 3 power B, 5 power C, and so on. It is given in the question that 2n has, 2n means 2 power A plus 1 into 3 power B into 5 power C, and so on. So A plus 2 into B plus 1. Remaining values, I will call it as a K, which has 28 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 3n will be 2 power A into 3 power B plus 1 into 5 power C, and so on. So this will be A plus 1 into B plus 2 into, remaining is again K, which has got 30 factors. This is 1 and this is 2. If I subtract 1 from 2, 2 minus 1, this will become AB plus 2A plus B plus 2 minus of AB plus A plus 2B plus 1 into K equivalent to 2. 2A minus A. 2 minus 2. So this will be A minus B. Am I right? A minus B into K is 2. A minus B into K is 2. It can be written in 2 ways. 1 into 2 or 2 into 1. If K is 2, substitute 2. If A plus 2 into B plus 1 into K is 28. If K is 2, A plus 2 into B plus 1, 14. What is A value? B plus 1. B plus 1 plus 2 into B plus 1 is 14. B square plus 3 means 4B equivalent to 11. Am I right? B square plus 4B plus 11. What is the value that is satisfying? Is it satisfying any natural number? If I take B value 3, no. It is not satisfying. Just check it out with the second equation. Second, how much it is becoming? A minus B is 2. K is 1. That means A will become 2 plus B. If I substitute here, 4 plus B into B plus 1 equivalent to 28. B square plus 5B plus 4 equivalent to 28. B square plus 5B is 24. Any value substituting? B is how much? 3. 9 plus 15. If B is 3, what is A value? 5. Yes or no? If B is 3, A value 5. What is K value? 1. That means what will be the equation? N equivalent to 2 power 5 into 3 cube. K value 1 means all remaining powers are zeros. 6n. 6n means 2 into 3 into 2 power 5 into 3 power 3. 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. How many factors? 7 5s are how much it is? 35. This is a traditional method. Then we will do optimal method. Traditional method. Any natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. 2 power A, 3 power B, 5 power C. You do 2n, you do 3n, then subtract 2 minus 1. You will get two equations, one will not satisfy. In this case, 1 into 2 is not satisfying. Put 2 into 1. Put 2 into 1. This is a traditional method. Clear, right? This traditional method is useful to solve some more problems. Please take a question. A natural number n has x factors. A natural number n has x factors. 2n has 2x factors. N has x factors. 2n has 2x factors. N has x factors. 2n has 2x factors. 3n has 3x by 2 factors. Find the factors for 12n. 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, and so on. Now see here, same process. What will be n? 2 power A, 3 power B, 5 power C. So what will be the statement for this? A plus 1, B plus 1, C plus 1, or C plus 1, call it as K. It equivalent to X. 2n. 2n means how much it is? A plus 2, B plus 1 into K. How much it is? 2x. Divide 2 with 1. Divide 3 with 2. You will get the answer. Natural number n has x factors, 2n has 2x, 3n has 3x by 2. Now, method 2. Please write down method 2. Understood, right? This approach little time consuming if you go by the method 1. Let us discuss method 2. Please write down method 2. Method 1 clear, right? Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. See here. Method 2. Listen carefully. If a number is multiplied by 2, number of factors are 28. If a number is multiplied by 3, number of factors are changing from 28 to 30. That means a number should have definitely 2 power something into 3 power something. 2n has 28 factors, 3n has 30 factors. If a number is multiplied by 3, number of factors are changing. If a number is multiplied by 2, number of factors are changing. Right? Now see here. We will go from this statement. A number has 28 factors. 28 factors means 1 into 28, 2 into 14, 4 into 7. What is the other case? 7 into 4 reverse case. Now if you see here, suppose if I take this case, these 28 factors are for which number? 2n. Can I say n will be 2 square into 3 power 6? Because if I take 2n, how much it will become? 2 cube into 3 power 6. 2 cube only will give me 4. 3 power 6 only will give you 7. What is 4 into 7? 28. Are you all with me? 2n has got 4. After multiplying by 2, it got 4. If it is 4, power should be 3. 3 after multiplying by 2. So that means power should be 2. Are you all with me?
7 into 2 into 2, one more case.
No, that also we will do it. That also 7 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now I am just checking whether any doublet is possible. If it is possible, then not possible, I go into the fourth case, 2 into 2 into 7. This is a 2n. What is a 3n? 3n, how much it will be? 2 square into 3 power 7. 2 square into 3 power 7. How many factors we are getting here? 8 into 3. What is 8 into 3? 24. But how much I require? 30. That means this case is, we will do the reverse. Now tell me, if it is 7, can I say that this could be? What is the other case we did for 4? 4 means is this case possible? I did for 4 into 7, I am doing it for 7 into 4. 2 power 5 into 3 cube. What is 2n? 2n will be 2 power 6 into 3 cube. 7 4s are 28. If I do for 3n, 2 power 4 and 5 into 3 power 4. What is this one? 6 into 5, 30. What is 6n? 2 into 3 into 2 power 5 into 3 cube. 2 power 6 into 3 power 4. What is 7 into 5? What is the answer? 35. But I choose this. Therefore, I got the answer in less time. You have to do with this. You have to do with this. You have to do with this. If 2 into 14 is not working, you have to do it with 14 into 2. Right? It is just a hit and trial method. I just did with 4 into 7. Coincidentally, I got the answer. If none of them is working, you have to go with 2 into 2 into 7. Please write.
You can choose factors which are close to each other.
Absolutely. You have to convince me. This statement, yes. 28, 30 are close to each other, right? Let us solve another 4 questions. Please write down how many natural numbers from 1 to 1000, how many natural numbers from 1 to 1000 are divisible by 2 but not by 7 nor 3. How many natural numbers from 1 to 1000 are divisible by 2 but not by 7 or 3? 7 or 3. Next. How many natural numbers are factors of 540? How many natural numbers are factors of 540 but not factors of 720? Factors of 540 but not factors of 720. Next one. N equivalent to 2 power 8 into 3 power 10 into 5 power 8 into 7 square. How many factors for n are multiples of 360 but not multiples of 540? But not multiples of 540. Next. How many factors for 4 power 5 into 5 power 4 into 6 cube are perfect squares but not perfect cubes? How many integers divide at least 2 of the integers? At least 2 of the integers. 4 power 10, 6 power 20 and 3 power 20. And 3 power 20. 3 power 20. Let us solve one by one. What is the first question? How many let us read the question. How many numbers from 1 to 1000 are divisible by 2 but neither by 3 nor 7? Now see here. These are divisible by 2. The total numbers are from 1 to 1000. These are divisible by 2. These are divisible by 3. These are divisible by 7. How many are divisible by 2 till 1000? These 100 or 1000? Let us take 100, 50. Smaller number, let us take 50. Right? This portion we require. Am I right? This portion is nothing but, what is this portion? Divisible by 2, 3 and 7. 6, 7, 42. 42 2s are 84. What is this portion? How many are divisible by 6? How many are divisible by 6 till 100? 6 16s are 96. Out of 2, what is remaining? 14. How many are divisible by 14 here? 2 and 7. 14. 14 7s are 98. 7. Already 2 is there. How much it is? 5. What will be this value? 50 minus this thing. That is what we require, right? Divisible by 2 but not by 3 or 7. I took a smaller number, 100. I replaced 1000 with 100. How many are divisible by 2 till 100? 50. How many are divisible by 2, 3 and 7? 6 7s are 42, 2. So how many are divisible by 6? 16. So per 14. Divisible by 14, 7, 5. So answer is 16, 21. What will be this answer? 20. Just write down one more question. How many numbers are divisible by exactly how many numbers are divisible by exactly 2 out of 2, 3 and 7. Exactly 2. Exactly 2 out of 2, 3 and 7. Exactly 2. Exactly 2. What do you mean by exactly 2? This plus this plus this. Yes or no? Right? This plus this. Now tell me, 7 3s are 21. 21 means how many are divisible by 21 till 100? 4. So this is 2. Exactly 2. Exactly 2 what will be the answer? 14 plus 5 plus 2. 20. Exactly 2. Now once you are able to solve, then I think you should be able to solve this question. See this question? How many integers divide at least 2 out of the integers? At least 2. At least 2. At least 2. This is 4 power 10. This is 6 power 20. This is 3 power 20. How many factors will be there? 2 power 20 means 21 factors. How many factors will be there? 2 power 20 into 3 power 20. 21 whole square. This is 21. How many integers divide at least 2 out of the integers? At least 2 means which all regions? This, this. Now you can solve. First you take the intersection of all these 3. What is the intersection of all these 3? What is the factor common to all these 3? It is nothing but HCF. It is nothing but the HCF. HCF you will get this answer. Then take the HCF of this with this. From there subtract this. Take the HCF of this with this. Subtract this. Understood, right? At least 2. At least 2. Sanjay, okay? This is nothing but the HCF of all this. Now once you understand this, next question also you can solve.
So here HCF will be 1, right? One, yeah.
Whatever the answer you will get, that itself. Got the idea, right? See the above question. Above one. No. Clear yet this idea? How many factors? Okay, before solving this question, there is another question. How many factors for 540 are not, what is the question? How many natural numbers are factors of 540 but not factors of 720? These are all the numbers which are factors of 540. These are all the numbers which are factors of 720. What do we require? How many factors for 540 are not factors for 720? This portion we require. Can I say it is nothing but total factors for 540 minus factors common to 540, 720. Same like the previous question. Factor common to 540, 720 is HCF of 540, 720, which is 180. 180 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 3 into 3 into 2. This is nothing but 3 into 180 into 3. 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 square into 3 cube into 5 power 1. 3 into 4 into 2. 24 minus 18. What is the answer? 6. How many factors for 540 are not factors of 720? Total factors for 540 minus factors common to both 540 and 720. Factors for 540 minus factors common to both 540 and 720. This is a very direct question. Now you can solve this one. How many factors for 4 power 5 into 5 power 4 into 6 cube which are perfect squares but not perfect cubes? Perfect squares but not perfect cubes. Shall I erase? This is nothing but, number is nothing but 4 power 5 into 5 power 4 into 6 cube. It is 2 power 10 into 5 power 4 into 2 cube into 3 cube. It is 2 power 13 into 3 cube into 5 power 4. These n. How many are perfect squares? This circle is nothing but the factors which are perfect squares for n. This circle is nothing but the factors which are perfect cubes for n. What do we require? Are perfect squares but not perfect cubes. What will be the answer? Total factors which are perfect squares for n minus factors which are sixth powers for n, because this is common to square and cube. Sixth power for n. Are you all with me? Perfect squares means how many perfect squares? Factors which are perfect squares will be there. 2 power 13 means perfect square means power should be an even number including 0. 2 power 0, 2 power 2 till 2 power 12. 3 power 0, 3 power 2. 5 power 0, 5 power 2, 5 power 4. These 7 into 2 into 3. Which are sixth powers. Sixth power means 2 power 0, 2 power 6, 2 power 2. 3 power 0, 5 power 6. 3 into 1 into. Okay, right? Factors which are perfect squares but not perfect cubes means total factors which are perfect squares minus factors which are common to both squares and cubes. Common to both squares and cubes. Same above also. Idea clear, right? All are based on Venn diagrams. See the above question. Right? What is the question? N equivalent to two power 8 into 3 power 10 into 2 power 8 into 3 power 10 into 5 power 8 into 7 square. How many factors are multiples of 360? Factors of 360k are not multiples of 540. It is nothing but 540k. This portion we require. What is 360k? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Remaining is 2 power 5, 3 power 8, 5 power 7, 7 square. What are the factors for this one? 6 into 9 into 8 into 3. Minus 540. What is 540? 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 power 1. What is remaining? 2 power 5 into 3 power 7 into 5 power 7 into 7 square. 6 into 8 into 8 into 3. Factors which are multiples of 360 but not multiples of 540. More or less all the problems are talking about this set only. Whether it is a multiple, whether it is a factor. No, 1 minute. These.
180.
No, these. That's what. Minus. What is this number? Factor which is common to the multiple of 360, 540. What is the factor that is common to the multiple of 360, 540? LCM. 36 34, 35, 36, 45, 46, 47, 48, 55, 57, 59. 55, 57, 59. 10 minutes now. Should purchase. Let us see. Question number 34. What is the answer? 34.
50 seater.
You are selecting 10 numbers randomly out of the first 100 odd numbers. Now see here. You are selecting 10 numbers randomly out of the first 100 odd numbers. First 10 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. What is the sum of these 10 numbers? Sum of the n consecutive odd numbers is always n square. So sum of the first 10, 100. Now if you see, 100 C10 is incorrect. Why? Because suppose out of 19, I don't take 19. Let me take 21. What is 21? 17. Till 17 it is 81. 81 plus 19 is 100. If I don't take 19, take 21. What is 81 plus 21? 102. Can I say that 102 can also be obtained in a different way? Yes or no? 104, right? First of all, they are all 10 consecutive odd numbers. So 100, 102 can be a possibility of 10 different odd numbers. 104, there is more than one possibility to get 102, 104. What are the last 10 odd numbers? 181, 183, 185, 187, 189, 191, 193, 195, 197, 199. These 185s are 900 plus 25, 950 plus 25. These are 1900. From 100 to 1900, what are the numbers I will get? 100, 102, 102, all even numbers I will get. Till 1900. 1900 to 100, total 1801 numbers are there. Out of which 901 are even, 900 are odd. I will get all even numbers only. What is the answer? 901. It is not 50 cent, it is not 100 C10, because if you select any 10 numbers, he is not asking selecting any 10 numbers. Selecting 10 numbers, there will be a sum. How many values that sum can take? That is the question, right? Yes. So from 100 to 1900, I will get total 1801 numbers, out of which 901 even and 900 odd. 901 even, 900 odd. It's clear? Now, 34th over, 35th. 3 numbers? 4. Let us see. 35th. A is a 3-digit number. A is a 3-digit number. If you strike the leftmost, next 2 numbers is a perfect square. Okay. Next, if you strike the rightmost, next 2 numbers is a perfect square. Next 2 numbers is a perfect square. So perfect square means it cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. And because it is a perfect square, this cannot end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Next one, if it is 1, if this is 1, any perfect square ending with 1, 10th digit could be. What are the cases? 0, 1, 21, 41, 61, 81. But if it is 1, This cannot be 8 because a perfect square can never end with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Next one. What is the next case? 0, 1, 2. Can it be 0, sir? It cannot be 0 because if this is 0, this could be 0, 0. But if I delete this will be 0, 0. That will not be a number. 000 is only possibility. Next one. 4. If it is 4, any perfect square ending with 4 tens digit will be a, so this one 0, 4, 24, 44, 64, 84. If it is 4, if this is 4, this cannot be 2, this cannot be 8. Perfect square cannot be 8. Right? What is the next case? 5. If it is 5, what is the case? This will become 25. Yes or no? Any perfect square ending with 5, tens digit is 2. If it is 2, perfect square cannot end with 2. What is another case? If it is 6. 6, what is the case? 16, 36, 56, 76, 96. A perfect square cannot end with 6. Are you all with me? Next one, 9. 9 means what are the cases? 0, 9, 29, 49, 69, 89. A perfect square cannot end with. Like that, if you take the cases, what are the cases that you got? You said 4. What are the cases?
169.
169.
868, 16.
Right. What is the next case?
81816.
816.
369.
3,
364.
364.
364. Yes.
164.
169 is
169 is
68
wrong.
is wrong.
169
is not a
164.
4.
64.
164. What is the other case?
649.
640. From 49 I get 649. From 64 I will get 364. From 16 I will get 816. Next one, 44. Perfect square ending with 44. 244, 444, 644, 844. This is incorrect. 21. 021, 221, 421, 621, 821. Right. Next, 36th question. What is 36th?
13.
36. Now, 36th see here. So I am writing answer 4 for this. 36th. A student wrote all the natural numbers from 2 to 10,000 on a blackboard, one after the other. And another student, okay. First student came and erased all perfect squares. That sentence is missing. That is, first student came and erased all perfect squares. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so on. See, if I erase all perfect squares, automatically 4th powers will be eliminated, 6th powers will be eliminated, 8th powers will be eliminated, 2n powers will be eliminated. Next, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube and so on. So 3n powers will be eliminated, 6th power, 9th power, 12th power. Next one, 4th power I cannot take. 2 power 5, 3 power 5, 4 power 5 and so on. Next one, 2 power 6 already taken. 7, 2 power 7, 3 power 7. We need to find out which power of 2 power n is closer to 10,000. Which power? 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power, okay, 2 power 13. So 2 power 7, what is the next value? 2 power 11, 2 power 13. 8 is a multiple of 2. 9 is a multiple of 3. 10 is a multiple of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. First he erased all perfect squares, then perfect cubes and everything. Now, 39th question. This question is present in our level 3 number system book. Please tick mark. 39th. 39th is present. 44th is present. 47th is present. 45th is present. 43rd is present. 58th is present, 53rd is present, 55th is present, 55th is present. Number system book level 3. Now 36th. Now what we'll do is, what is the other question I said? 46th.
6 into 3 is
40. No, that's very easy. 2 power A equivalent to 2 power 2B equivalent to 2 power 3C. A equivalent to 2B equivalent to 3C. A is to B is to C is 6 is to 3 is to 2. Or you can write it as 2 power 6 equivalent to 4 power 3 equivalent to 8 square. 2, 4 and 8 is 64. Similarly, 57th, it's a cat replica level question. 3 power 1 by A equivalent to 5 power 1 by B equivalent to 15 power 1 by C equivalent to K. 3 equivalent to K power A. 5 equivalent to K power B. 15 equivalent to K power minus C. 15 is 3 into 5. K power minus C is K power A plus B. A plus B plus C is 0. Remaining all the problems, you will find it out in the books. Right? Any doubt is there? Please tell me.
3 power 1 by A can never be equal to 5 power 1 by A, right?
Which one?
given.
There could be. No, he is not asking what is the value, what is the relationship of A, B and C is asking.
That is okay, but logically this is, that scenario is not possible now.
Suppose 3 power 1 by, no, why it is not possible?
Because this will contain only powers of 3 and that will contain only powers
A is minus 1. If it is 3 power minus 1, 1 by 3, 0.33. B is minus 2, 5 power minus 2, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 25, 0.4. This is 0.3, this is 0.4. That means they are coming close to each other. A and B could take negative values. There is a possibility. Right? Any doubts are there? I think that n factorial is divisible by 1000. What is 1000? 5 cube into 2 cube. What is the smallest number that will have power of 50? 15. I think you can solve the remaining, right? Any doubts are there? You can ask me.